This is Fitim. I'm from Kosovo, from Advantex LLC company. There are different reasons that we choose Bluesun, especially products and quality. I felt always I see it like a stable and serious company, but especially today when we saw the factory and warehouse and offices and showroom, I was I was really amazed.
The capacity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, battery.
Okay.
Yeah, they are the screen here.
One parallel one. What plus? Another blender.
And the machine will
This
put
is one plate here to cut.
to assemble the cells together. Automatical is already a pack.
PCU can put PMU. This is 485A.
They can use this kind of battery.
When the grid price is very cheap. This is nano.
Smart electricity as in
Mono is not bifacial.
One project or for different projects? Battery and inverter.
panel size.
This front side is back side. This side,
But to move like this. We come from a building management system background, so it works very well with this system, which helps to integrate the BMS and solar panels, which helps in optimizing the electricity usage. This one thing that is important.
Welcome to Bluesun.
Thank you. You were amazed.